Hello again, everybody, and welcome back to our store. I'm still going through all the things that we got a week ago or 2 weeks ago now from Europe. And one item that I found super interesting is this pocket watch. It doesn't seem like a lot. No maker mark on the front or anything, nothing on the back. But this pocket watch was used by the Kriegsmarine units. And this one, if you can open it up, if I can open it out without damaging anything. Let me see. Here we go. You see everything's still working, but here, I don't know if you can capture that, you can see the maker mark, Lange, Sohne, which is a very expensive watch manufacturer from Germany. So, very unique piece by a great maker. This will be going up on our website soon, and I hope if you're interested in an Lange & Sohne original watch, you might take a look at it. But once again, thank you for watching.